All right, Grace, what do you think of chicken?
You choking?
Did you just spit that?
I'll try it again.
How about a little more chicken?
Okay.
It's like,
Open your mouth.
hands down.
I know it's different. It's a different texture. But you might like it if you give it a try. It is a lot different texture, though. She doesn't seem to... Look at that.
Yeah?
I think she likes the flavor.
Good flavor? Just having trouble
having
getting used
trouble
to
getting
chunks?
I'm only giving her a little bit. Hey, stop it. She also really wants the spoon.
What's that face?
You need to be waterier.
I don't know, maybe. It doesn't blend with the water as well, though.
No, it doesn't. You can't take it. She's like, I gotta mix it with spit first. Yeah, let me see if I can get some more of this. You know what? She actually liked that with carrots too. And
Not having the best time with it so far. We gotta see if we can get it a little more liquidy for you, kiddo.
I don't know how.
Marinate
I mean,
it.
we could buy the
Boil it.
baby stuff, or just not cook it as long.
Yeah, I overcooked it for sure. But it was a safety concern. Yeah?
You always make that noise. I think she likes the flavor. She just can't handle the texture.
Yeah.
Because like she wants
Chunks
more.
make her gag. You look like someone gave you your first shot of whiskey. Grabbing the table and...
Oh.
Blech.
Why are you doing that, you silly? You want more? I never heard of anybody being allergic to chicken.
No.
I guess it's possible, but...
I don't think so. I think she's just making her noise.
You're like, Mom, this stuff needs some salt and pepper.
Yeah, chicken without spices. That's boring chicken.
You're gonna have chicken come out your nose? You're working it. There you go.
That was better.
What is she doing?
Kid, you're freaking me out.
You had some fruit instead? Now that you've tried it. You tried it pretty well.
Yeah, I'd say maybe she could be done.
She says, you try to eat this stuff.
Alright, Grace. We're gonna say good enough.
Yeah. Giving him a